Do you know why everyone create a custom calendar table before working on time intelligence calculation? Let's understand this with a simple example. Suppose you are working with sales data on weekend and public holiday. There are no sales, which means those dates are missing from your data set. Now imagine creating a report in Power BI. Your chart may look perfect, but your analysis isn't. And here is the biggest problem. Powerful time intelligence calculation like YTD, MTD, QTT and previous year may not work as expected. But here is the good news. You can solve all of this with a custom calendar table. In this video, I will show you how to create a custom calendar table in Power BI using Power Query. You will also find the complete practice files in the description below. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So friends, first let's see the definition of custom calendar. Let me show you with the help of highlighter. A custom calendar is a date table created manually for reporting. So basically it is a date table. It is a separate table which is created manually by the user. By default there will be no date table in Power BI, but we need to create a date table. Like it may contain the date column. In the same way it may contain the day column, month column, year column, quarter column. So based on the user requirement, we can create a date table which is nothing but the custom calendar, and it is used for reporting. So whenever if you are working on report or dashboard, the custom calendar is very important. I hope you guys are understanding. It is a strong foundation for time intelligence in Power BI. So whenever if you are working on time intelligence, like you can take the example of MTD, QTD, YTD, same period last year. For such type of DAX calculation, we need to take help of custom calendar. I hope you guys understood the definition of custom calendar. Now let me show you guys. It help Power BI understand date correctly. So basically with the help of custom calendar, Power BI can understand what is year column, month, quarter, week, day, financial year and the time based analysis. Without a calendar table, few calculation may not work properly. For example, sales by month, year to date, month to date, MTD, YTD, previous year comparison, quarter analysis. So basically these all are time intelligence which are calculated with the help of DAX calculation in Power BI. So whenever if you are working on time intelligence like MTD, QTD, like previous year comparison, you need to take help of custom calendar. So without creating a custom calendar, it will be very difficult, as well as you will not get an accurate output. I hope you guys understood why we need to create a custom calendar. Now let me show you guys why we need a custom calendar in Power BI. Let's take an example. In a real data like sales data, I have one sales data. Some dates may be missing due to holidays, weekend or no transaction. Let's suppose if you are working in any company where you have a sales data, the sales data may contain the dates column also. So basically they might be like holidays, weekend or no transaction, due to which what will happen, there will be few dates will be missing. I hope you are understanding. Now what will happen with the help of custom calendar table? It will give us a complete list of date, so Power BI can analyze data correctly. Now let me show you guys, just to take an example of the sales data which is available at the left hand side. Let me show you. This is the sales data I have taken. Now this is the date column. Okay. And here we can see the sales amount column. Now if you notice carefully, these are the missing date. Let me show you with the help of black color, violet color. Okay. So these are the missing dates available. So the missing dates may be like no sales on holiday, weekend, no transaction. Okay. So basically it will have empty record in the sales amount. So these values are not available. At the right hand side you can see this is the custom calendar table which I have created. So this table contain all the list of dates. The same way this is the day name column. Right. All dates available, no missing date. So with the help of custom calendar, what will happen? There will be no missing date. But whereas in case of sales data, the dates may be missing. Alright. So it is possible with the help of custom calendar. It provides a continuous list of dates for complete analysis. Now let me show you the dataset which I have. Now I have opened the sales data Excel workbook. Let me zoom in. Right. This is the sales data workbook. Now inside this workbook, I have taken the complete sales record which contain transaction ID, product, quantity, unit price, date column. We will be focusing mostly on the date column. Look here guys, this date column is very important. And let me tell you one more important point. Whenever if you are working on custom calendar, there should be at least one date column in your record. Next, we have the customer name column, state column, and in the same way, we have few more column, country column, sales channel column, payment type, and sales. I hope you guys understood the data, right? So basically, this is the sales data. Now let's see practically how we can create a custom calendar in Power BI. So what we will do, we will import this Excel workbook in Power BI and we will create the custom calendar manually. If you guys are excited to see how to create a custom calendar manually in Power BI, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and you can write in the comment section excited. Alright. Now what I will do, I will simply close the Excel workbook. On the screen, I have opened blank Power BI workbook. Now we need to import the Excel workbook, right? If you guys know how to import the Excel workbook in Power BI, let me know in the comment section. If you don't know, don't worry. I'm here to guide you step by step, right? So if you want to import the Excel workbook, different options are available. Like here we can see import data from Excel. Either you can just go with this option or under home tab there is one option Excel workbook. You need to simply click on this option. So these are the two different methods. If you want in more detail, just click on get data and here you can see common data source available Excel workbook. I hope you guys understood. And let me tell you guys, the Power BI has capacity of importing data from more than 100 data source. So it is very powerful tool. Now what I will do, I will simply click on import data from Excel. Now you can see one window will appear. Now here you need to enter the file path. So basically you need to give the file path. So what you can do is you can just go with the browse option available. Browse. Now let me show you practically. Now this is my sales data file available, which is the Excel workbook. I will simply click on this file. Now click open. Now finally here you can see guys, this is the file path of your sales data Excel workbook. Let me zoom in. The file path is eDrive custom calendar folder and this is the Excel workbook. This is how you can browse your file. Now you need to click on next. I think the screen is visible and now you can see a navigator window will open, but you might be thinking like the data is not visible. Don't worry, let me show you. At the left hand side, two different options are available. Like here we can see Excel workbook. Under Excel workbook, this is a sheet name, which is sales, right? Now, if you want to show the data, it is very simple. Simply click on this sheet. Now, finally, you can see the preview of your data will appear. This is the sales data. Now, here actually you can see whether the data type or column is correct or not. Let me zoom in and show you. Transaction ID, data type is test, it is correct. Product column, quantity column, unit price, date column. The data type is date, it is correct. Customer name, state, country, sales channel, payment type and sales. So guys, finally the data type is completely clean. No need to do any transformation. Now what you need to do is you need to load this data in Power BI. It is very simple. What you need to do is you need to simply click on this option. So let me check this option. Zoom in guys. Right. Now go with the load option available. Okay. Transform data, nothing but if you want to make any changes to your data, you need to click on transform data, by which what will happen, the Power Query window will appear where you can do lot of transformation. We will see later on. So right now I will simply click on load. Data will be loaded in Power BI. Just to wait for a few seconds. So guys, finally the sales data is loaded successfully. Let me expand it. In the data panel here you can see the sales data, right? Let me zoom in and show to you. Yes, it is completely perfect. Now this is how you can import the Excel workbook in Power BI. If you want to see the tabular format of the sales data, it is very simple guys. At the left hand side there is one option table view. I hope it is visible. Simply you need to click on table view. Once you click, here you can see the complete sales data. where you can see all the columns are available like transaction ID, product, quantity till sales column. And at the bottom you can see total number of record in the sales data are 1000 record. Let me zoom in. Right. So basically this sales data contain total 1000 record. Now we will be focusing only on the date column. Let me show you the record available in the date column. It is very simple guys. Simply you need to click on filter icon. The starting sales record is 21st September 2023. If you want to see the last date of the sale, it is very simple. Simply scroll down, and finally here you can notice the last date of the sale is 23rd September 2024. So basically it is a complete 1 year sales record, and this date column may contain few missing dates also. Let's see for January. I think for 1st January it is a public holiday, right? The 1st January 2024 there is no sale because it is a public holiday. In the same way there might be few weekends also public holiday and lot more. This date column contain missing dates also. Now what we need to do is we need to create a custom calendar of 2023 and 2024 year, and inside the custom calendar we will be taking all the dates starting from 1st January 2023 to 31st December 2024. Let's see practically guys. Now what I will do, I will simply go to report view. Right. If you want to create a custom calendar in Power BI, you need to take help of Power Query Editor. If you want to open Power Query Editor, just click on transform data option available. Okay. So let's click on transform data. Let's see the power of this Power Query Editor, how we can create a custom calendar. Guys, just you need to practice along with me. All the practice files are available in the description below. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and if you are facing any query, let me know in the comment section. Alright. Now on the screen we can see the Power Query Editor window is open. Here you can see the complete record of the sales table. So guys, now we need to create a custom calendar in Power Query. It is very simple, no need to take any tension. So what you need to do is, first you need to click on new source option available. Let me zoom in guys. Simply you need to click on new source which is available under home tab. Alright. Now let's click on new source. Here you can see different options are available. Now you need to click on blank query. Follow the steps whatever I am telling to you. If you want you can note it down in the notebook. Now simply click on blank query. Let me click on blank query. Now finally you will get one window. Now what you need to do is simply click on next. Okay. Click on next. Now here you can see guys, a query will open. This is the blank query and this is the formula bar where we will write the formula to create a custom calendar of 2023 and 2024. Let me zoom in guys. This is the fx, right, function. Simply click on this function. Okay, fx. Now you will get one formula equal to source. Now instead of source, what we will do, we will replace with different formula. So first you need to remove the source, write equal to. Now here you need to write one formula to create a custom calendar. Now let me show you guys what is the formula to create a custom calendar. I think the screen is visible. Now this is a simple formula to create a custom calendar. List.date. Okay guys, first you need to write list.date. Next you need to enter these all values. Let's see practically one by one. So first we will understand what is actually list.date. So when you write list.date, here we can see this function generate a list of date. Now what I will do, I will simply go to Power Query Editor. Here I will write list.date. Let me zoom in guys. Here we will be writing list.dates, right? DATES. This is the formula. Just click on list.dates. Now the list is repeated 2 times. Don't worry, just remove it. You can delete in this way. Now open the bracket. Now it will ask 3 different arguments like start as date, count as number, step as duration. Now first you need to give the start as a date, which means the starting date of your custom calendar. Our custom calendar start from 1st January 2023, right? So here I will be using one formula. So first let me remove this. Here I will use hashtag date. Look here guys, this is the formula I am using. Now open the bracket. Now you need to mention the year, month and day. So what I will do, I will simply write 2023 year, comma, 1st January. So I will write here January comma 1st January. Okay. So this is very important, guys. You need to write in this way. Hashtag date comma 2023 comma 1 comma 1. So this is the starting date of a custom calendar comma. Now you need to give count as a number. Count as a number, which means number of dates in the custom calendar. We want 1st January 2023 to 31st December 2024. So actually total we want 2023 and 2024 complete dates. Now let me show you guys 2023. This 2023 contain total 365 days. Yes. 2024 is a leap year which contains 366 days. If you add 365 and 366, you will get total 731 days. Now what you need to do is you need to take this 731 days and write here. I hope you guys are understanding. So based on your business requirement, if you are creating a custom calendar, you need to understand the logic, and according to that you need to write count as number. So in my case, I want only 2 years 23 and 24. I will simply write here 731. Done. Now you need to give another argument, which is step as duration. Now basically we need to show like each date I want to show. So what I will do, I will simply take here hashtag duration, open the bracket. Inside the bracket you need to write 1 day. So basically we need to separate for each date. We need to increment each date. I will write here 1. For hours I will write 0. For minute I will write 0. For second I will write 0. This is how you need to understand the formula. Now simply close the bracket. Let me zoom out, guys. So guys, this is the formula to create a custom calendar. If you want, you can take the screenshot of this. Let me zoom in. What you need to do is simply you need to click enter. So guys, finally the custom calendar is created. Let me zoom in. The column name is list, and here you can see 1st January 2023. In the same way, when you scroll down, let me zoom out. If you want, you can scroll down and you can see the last one. Let me scroll down, guys. Right. The last date is 31st December 2024. In this way, you can create a custom calendar. I hope you guys are understanding, but you need to do little changes. What you need to do is first you need to click on this to table. So basically you need to click on this option. Right now it is not a custom calendar. So what you need to do is you need to convert into table. Let's click on to table option, and now here you will get one pop-up. Simply neglect it, click OK. Finally it is converted into table. You can see the table, right? The column name is column 1. Now what you can do is you can change the column name. I will simply double click on this, and here I will write custom underscore calendar. So this is how you can create a custom calendar table. I hope you guys are understanding. Guys, finally the custom calendar is created, and at the right hand side here you can see the apply steps. Let me show you with the help of red color. So first you need to give the source. Next you need to give the custom one, which is the formula we have given. Next we have converted to table, and we have renamed the column also. Let me tell you one important point, guys. Whenever if you are creating a custom calendar, you need to see the data type of the custom calendar. By default it is ABC123, which is a test. Simply click on this. Now click on date data type. Now finally this custom column is a date data type. I hope you guys understood. Now if you want to see the record, from here you can see the record 1st January 2023. So when you scroll down, the last date is 31st December 2024. And in the same way, if you want to see total number of dates in this particular column, below you can see total number of record as 731, which is absolutely perfect according to our calculation. Now what I will do, I will change the table name. Right now the default table name is query. It is very simple, guys. Just go to properties. Now from here you can change the table name. I will write here custom underscore calendar. Okay, custom underscore calendar. Now the table name is renamed from query to custom calendar. I will rename the column name. Instead of custom calendar, I will simply take it as custom date. Okay guys, I will write here custom date, custom dates. Now this is the column name I have changed, custom dates. Finally the column name is changed. Now what I will do guys, with the help of custom dates column, I will add few columns such as day, month, year and quarter, which is very simple. So what you need to do is just to click on add column tab available. Let me zoom in. Right. This is the add column. Now inside the add column there is one option date. Let me show you with the help of highlighter. Simply you need to click on date. Now when you expand the date, here you can see if you want to find the month name, like here we can see the year, start year, end year, month, start month, end month, day in month, name of the month. In the same way quarter, and in the same way you can see the days also. Now first what I will do, I will add a year column. It is very simple. Simply click on year. So once you click on year, now here you can notice the year column is inserted successfully. If you want, you can see the record. Finally, only 2023 and 2024 year is visible. This is how you can add the column with the help of this custom dates column. Now I want to extract the month name. It is very simple guys. Click on date. Now from here you need to select the name of month. If you want, you can find month number, start of month, end of month, days in month. I want to find the name of month. I will just go with this option. So guys, finally month name column is inserted successfully. Let's see the record of this. Yes, it is completely perfect, January to December. In the same way, if you want to insert the name of day, it is very simple. Simply click on custom dates, go to date, and from here you need to click on name of day. Once you click on name of day, finally the day name column is inserted. Let me show you the record. Friday, Monday, Saturday, Sunday, Thursday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Now what I will do, I will insert the week number also. Just to go to date. Now here you can see week of month. I want a week of year. Week of year. And finally guys, the week of year column is inserted. If you want to see the record, from here you can see 1, 2, 3, so on till 53. So guys, finally we have inserted year column, month name column, day name column and the week of year with the help of custom date column. I hope you guys are practicing along with me. If you want to insert few more different record, like if you want start of month, end of month, here you can see different options are available. So based on your business requirement, you need to insert the column. I hope you guys are understanding. Now what I will do, I will load this data to Power BI. It is very simple guys. Click on home. Now there is one option close and apply. Right? Now simply click on close and apply. Now just to wait for a few seconds. The custom calendar table is loaded successfully. If you want to see in tabular view, simply click on table view. Click on custom calendar. And here you can see custom dates, year, month name, day name and week of year, which is completely amazing. If you guys are facing any problem, let me know in the comment section. Now we gonna see how to build a relationship between the custom calendar table and the sales table practically. So first you need to understand the custom dates column. So this is the custom calendar table. Now inside the custom calendar table, this is the custom dates column. So basically inside this custom date column, there is no missing date. All the dates are available, which are total 731 dates, right? Now I will go to sales table. Now inside the sales table, this is the date column. The date column contains few missing dates. Now what we will do, with the help of this date column, we will build a relationship between the table. It is possible guys. Just to go to model view, click on model view. Here we can see two tables are available, sales table and the custom calendar table. Now inside the sales table, this is the date column, okay, and this is the custom date column in the custom calendar table. Now simply you need to drag the custom date column and drag on the date column. So once you drag and drop, here you will get one window, new relationship. Right now we are creating the relationship between two table, custom calendar table and the sales table. Now this is the from table, which is custom calendar, and that column is custom date, right? Now this is the second table, which is the sales table, and the column is date column. Now let me tell you one more important point. Whenever if you are building a relationship between the table, there should be at least one column which is a common column in both the table, right? So here we can see custom date and the date column are the common column between both the table. So with the help of this common column, we can easily build the relationship, and the cardinality is one to many, which means the custom calendar contain the custom dates, right? So basically these are the unique record and these are the multiple. So inside the date column multiple dates are available, but inside the custom date only unique dates are available. So the cardinality is one to many, one to many. Now click on save. So guys, finally the relationship is created, which is one to many. Here you can see the cardinality, right? This is one to many relationship. As you can observe, this is the date column and this is the custom dates column, right? Let me tell you one more important point. Whenever if you are building a relationship between the table, if both the column contain the same name, what will happen? The Power BI will automatically build the relationship between the table. But in our case, the column names are different. So what will happen? It will not create the relationship. We need to build the relationship manually. I hope you guys are understanding. If you guys want to become an expert in data modeling, I have already uploaded video on complete data modeling. The link is given in the description below. You can check it out. So friends, we have successfully learned how to create a custom calendar table in Power BI using Power Query. We also learned how to build the relationship between the custom calendar table and the sales table. In the next video, we will use this same calendar table to create powerful time intelligence DAX calculation such as MTD, QTD, YTD and many more. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, share this video and subscribe to the channel for more Power BI tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep growing. Take care. Bye bye.